We are dipping into some new products today, and I am so excited about that. Mainly, I need to see if this is worth it. The Patrick Ta, she's seductive. I bought the Morphe one, and I wasn't planning on buying the Morphe one. I was gonna buy the Patrick Ta one, but then when I bought this one, I didn't think that this one was, I needed it. I just kept seeing it everywhere, so I don't know if it's really brown girl friendly. So we are gonna try this shade. We are also gonna try Say. Never tried any products before, so let's just go right into this one. This one is in the shade Starglow. So we're gonna try this first. It's a pump. I don't know why I thought it was a wand, but it's a pump. Let's see, I got the little one. I got Starglow because I thought it was literally the only one in the mini one. I do like this. It is nice. Gonna go in with my Fenty today and start blending that. I also bought the Ariel brushes. If you watched my other video, you saw all of the products that I purchased. I haven't used them yet because they're just so nice and clean. I don't want to touch them. I think that Starglow underneath made a huge difference in the foundation. Next, we are gonna go in with the Skin Enhancer. That is nice. That's really nice. It blends in beautifully. Everything's so glowy on my skin. For the summer, this is gonna be really nice. Ooh, skin is skinning. Everything's looking plump. It's looking glowy. We are gonna powder first. So that's how much product. Okay. That is really pretty. It's very natural on the skin. Now let's go in with the cream and let's use a beauty blender. Or should we use a brush? Let's try with the beauty blender first. I'm really not seeing anything. You see a little bit of that glow. Let's try brush. There we go. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I thought that this wasn't gonna show up on my skin. Okay. It's staying. But I'm gonna do the eyes first in a different video and then come back. Now, let's try using a tiny bit of that Rare Beauty. This guy here on the back of my hand. And then take a brush and let's just put a little dot. That's nice. I kind of almost liked it with just the blush. It was kind of pretty. I am gonna powder the lips and then I'm gonna go in with Endless Cacao. This is also new that I purchased. And down here, use my fingers, blend that out. I'm gonna go in with number 76 from the Sephora lip stain. You're gonna go in with Sephora in 70. It's like a pink shade. That is really pretty. This is Lawless in Glazed. Everybody always uses the pink one, but I thought I'd get this one and go. That is so pretty. And this is the finished makeup look with a majority of my new products. I feel like everything was a hit. The whole look came out amazing. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed.